Oh, hey, what's up? Hope you're all sound and safe. Wear masks and get vaccinated as soon as possible. So, without wasting much time, let's kick in the second episode of Pritit Says, the last class. School, a place where in the noisiest of classrooms we found peace. You know what's the best thing about our school lives? Irrespective of how different our school lives were, we all had the best days of our life then. No one can ever deny that, right? To be very honest, I don't miss school, but I miss school days. I don't miss my teachers, but I miss their scoldings, their punishments. Life was easier, no? When we found ghosts in the darkness and not peace. Don't you feel life has changed a lot since the day we started loving darkness? Then we were innocent and so were our lives. Those days, our backs used to be heavy, not we. Those days, we used to wake up with incompleted homeworks, not insecurities. Those days, our pencils got broken, not our hurts. Remember Bhav and Katti? Those days, this is how we used to block and unblock friends. Nowadays, phrases like, he's not of my type or we don't vibe so well, breaks many friendships and relationships too. But remember in school, when our teacher changed our seat from the one corner to the other, and even there we didn't stop talking, cause we vibed with every bench and the entire class was of our type. And every time the class felt low, there would always be some backbenchers who'd lighten up everyone's mood by their stupidity. For teachers, they were idiots, they were clowns, but for the class, they were the heartbeat. If they stopped beating, that means the class is dead. You know what I feel? The front benchers learned, but the backbenchers lived. Oh God, those days. Remember that moment when your heart's skipping a beat cause you're already 30 minutes late for class and suddenly you see two of your friends standing near the entrance. They are late too. Trust me, nothing in the world can beat that satisfaction. And remember converting those first periods into lunch periods? Irrespective of where our school was located, we all had a cemetery near it, and all the supernatural activities in the world used to take place there. Probably this was the first ever scam of our lives. Be honest, how many times you have killed your grandparents just because you are absent? Now, whenever it rains, it takes me back to those days when I would be staring at the rains outside the school window and the teacher used to shout my name and say, "Am I teaching outside?" Oof. Every rain may not be romantic, but nostalgic indeed. Online exams may be fun, online exams may be scoring, but the stress before an offline exam can easily beat the fun during an online exam. While waking up at nights and preparing cheats, while keeping the books in the washroom, while exchanging papers, we didn't realize that we are creating memories to cherish forever. Online exams can be a luxury now, but exchanging papers were a necessity then. And that proud feeling when you had someone else's paper and the teacher used to pass by you and still couldn't catch you is just unmatchable. Probably we scored more marks in the last 5 minutes than the rest of the time combined. Not our preparation, but the number of teachers present in the hall and the seating arrangement to decide how well our exams would go. Talking about teachers, we all had a maths teacher in our schools whose absence felt like a national holiday, and a PT teacher who would suddenly appear from the back door and shout, "Class, keep quiet, principal is rotating in the corridor." I can still recall that day when we were in standard 12. Probably it was a day in November. That day, we all friends decided to play Rumal Chor for the last ever time. Due to shortage of time, we promised to play it on the following day. As soon as we reached home that evening, our hearts sank. There was a message from the school which read, "Classes for 10 and 12 have been dissolved." From coming to school with an incompleted homework to leaving with an incompleted Rumal Chor game, the journey of our school life ended. Just as all the beautiful things in the nature ends, our school life too had to end. You know what I feel? Designating ourselves as an ex-Xaverian or ex of any other school hurts more than calling someone our ex. Don't you feel fighting with mom and dad those days was way better than fighting with your own selves nowadays. It's tough to even imagine, na? We'll never again have those first periods, those assemblies under the scorching heat, those bunks in the name of toilets, and those snatching of tiffins during the lunch time. Oh God, we'll never again leave home crying, and after 10 minutes or so, we'll never find ourselves laughing with friends. Generally, in life, either we live or we learn. But in school life, we lived and we learned. If school life was a sketch, then friends are the colors. They give life to it. We may have lost many friends in the course of years, but the ones who choose to stay eventually become ours forever. Probably the most missed thing will be, কাল স্কুল যাচ্ছিস তো? তুই না গেলে কিন্তু আমিও যাচ্ছি না. Those corridors which were once filled with a lot of fun are now filled with memories. And if the classrooms have seen the best of us, the washrooms saw us at our worst. We'll never again have another period of lunch, never again another period of physics or commerce, moreover never again another period of school life. And after 9:45 am, we'll never be late again. So that's it for today. This is Pritith Says, and I am Pritith, signing off.